Hi everybody, I'm coming to you today to bring you another bag that I have. This bag I've actually had done for quite a while. I thought I made a video on it a while back, but I went through my history and couldn't find one on it. So here we are. So this is what it is, bag. It is a tote carry bag. Of course, you could use it for however you want. This bag, it's called the Caravan Tote. The pattern designer is Noodle-head. So let me step back a little bit. This cute little tote, she designed it for knitters, but I made a little adjustments to make it, and really basically for the knitters, meaning it had grommets in the pocket here, like to make a hole for needles and things like that. So like if you were knitting, you could have your yarn in and pull it out and that kind of stuff. But I thought it was a really cute bag because I liked the pockets that she featured. And of course I added some of my own. I kind of a little carried away on this one. But anyway, so this again, it's called the Caravan Tote. It's the pattern designer's Noodle-head. This is a really cute tote. The measurements, it's 14 inches tall, 11.5 inches wide, and then it's a 5-inch depth of the bag. So it's 5 inches from here to here. So let's go ahead and close up. I bought this fabric, I don't know, a while back, probably over a year ago. And it was in like a little 3-yard pack that I had gotten at a fabric store. I thought it was really cute. Plus they had like a sale. So I thought it was real cute to pick up. But basically, here I'll show you the side of it. It's like little gardening things, like a little water can, a spade, a shovel, the little 3-prong thing to dig with, a rake, wheelbarrow, things of that nature. And it's even got a couple little flowers in there to boot. So let's try to give you a little close up so you could see some of that. And then this real pretty orange as the accent on this bag. So let's go through all the features in this bag. And also with this bag, there is an extra feature that goes along with the bag. And I will show you that at the end after I show the features. So the strap here. And let me measure the strap to see how big of a drop it is. Give me just a second. I forgot to measure that. I measured everything but the strap drop. So the strap drop is about 12.5 inches drop. So I'm measuring it from here to here. So it's about 12.5 inches. So obviously it'll fit comfortably on your arm. I don't see it. Obviously, it's too short for a crossbody, but a great little tote to carry on your arm. And you can even dangle it off of your arm, too. It won't hang too far. So, anyways, so with the features of this bag, and it's a good interface. It's not like foam or anything heavy. It's just, I used a thicker interfacing, and it gives it a kind of, I don't know, you can hear the sound of it, and it's gonna say it's a stiff, well, you can't see me set it, but I'll set it on my hand, so you've got that little, it won't fall over, but it still gets a little bit of a slouch to it, where it's not real stiff. Okay, so, and then the strap, it is a, I guess it's like a canvas type cotton strap that I use for the strapping, and that's a more of a tan, I guess you would call it, a tan strap. So the bag features this cute little snap. Oh, I didn't have it snapped, so you could, but this cute little snap front pocket. So you've got your little snap pocket here, and it's got 2 little snaps for security. And then when you lift it up, and it just like lifts up, and then you've got this little pocket, and it's a cute little, and it's a nice little tight pocket. It's not real loose, so it's great to drop your phone in. You can drop your phone in probably sideways, and it would fall down in there. So, because of course, what you see is the inch of the depth of the pocket. So you've got that. This bag also features what I thought is really neat, is a zipper pocket right along where the top trim meets the where I have the the base of the bag is a cute zipper. It's not a, it's just kind of sneaks right in there. I didn't use a black zipper, but I thought it would be really cute. It's not a real wide one, so it's not, doesn't, you know, doesn't jump out at you, but it's a cute little zipper there. So this feature, now this is where I got a little, no, this is not this pocket. Yeah. Anyways, so this is inside here. So it's got some pockets inside the big pocket, and this is a huge pocket. This pocket, this big pocket right here goes from here. I mean, what you see on the to the seams, each seam from in here all the way to the bottom. So this is a huge pocket. You can see in the pocket, it's real big. And inside that pocket, I have, this is kind of where I changed it a little bit. She had, where she had the grommets in that provided the holes to pull yarn through, which I didn't do. Basically what I did is you could use this kind of like maybe to carry crafts or something, an idea. There's a side here, 2 little pockets here on the side, and then 2 little pockets here on this side. It's hard to show, but 2 on each side. You could put pens, you can throw some markers, whatnot, and then you've got this larger pocket in the center. So you've got that in this, that's the front of the bag. So now when you get onto the inside of the bag, I added the pockets on the inside of the bag, and the inside of the bag is, I think, is just absolutely cute. It's just a really, really pretty. It is a floral print, and I thought that really goes really cute with the gardening implements on the exterior. So it's a real beautiful floral print. Inside, as you can see, just by holding the angle, there's a zipper pocket right there. And then if you turn the bag over to the front of the bag, there is another pocket. It's a slip pocket, but it is a snap closed zip pocket because it's kind of a bigger zip pocket. So I snapped it so it wouldn't having a baggy open pocket, because I hate big pockets that bag open and then you try to put something in and that pocket gets in your way. So I put a little snap on that to close it. So and then this is kind of where I got a little extra on this bag. Inside this pocket, the slip pocket here, I stuck a very small zipper pocket. And I'm going to try to see the best way to show you. If you look, you can see a line right there. So basically the pocket, the zipper pocket is right here. It's a narrow zipper. Well, it's not really that. It's kind of a deep pocket. It goes down probably just about where this pocket ends at the base of the bag. It's a zip. I call it like a little hidden zipper pocket. I think it would be really cute if you were to, not really cute, but I thought it was an idea to where you could put maybe like drop a wallet, a coin purse down in there, zip it shut, snap it shut, and then it gives you a little bit of added security. Also, I forgot to mention this bag is a snap closure, so you can snap close this bag. For the bag is a snap closure. Okay, so back to the inside. Sorry, got distracted. So anyway, so that is the slip pocket. Since inside the bag, again, it snaps closed. You've got your zipper inside that. And then you've got your zipper pocket here. And it's a good pocket, pretty good width of the pocket. So you got a nice big zipper pocket on the back side of the bag. And it goes not quite to the bottom of the bag, but it goes close. I'd say almost to the bottom of the bag. I'd say to about, let's say to about here at the bottom of the bag. I don't know if you can see that real well, but from here to here is the zipper pocket. So again, this is the Caravan Tote. This is up for sale if anybody's interested in the bag. And also I had mentioned that there's an add-on feature with this particular bag. I think it's really cute. It comes complete with a little pouch. So, I mean, honestly, if somebody wanted to just use this to take it overnight somewhere, I mean, you could get a change of clothes in here easy. Providing it's not like nice clothes, you know what I'm saying, dress clothes or whatnot. But anyways, so you've got that, and you've got this cute little pouch. You could use it as a makeup pouch. You could use it as a wallet. I mean, stick a few things in it, grab it, and then you can carry it in a store or something. It's really cute. So it features, just like the front of the bag, it features a nice little pocket there. So it's just like a nice little snap pocket. So that'll snap that. That's that pocket there. And then it's just one big open pocket in the inside. There's nothing, no additional pockets on this one. It's just a big opening, like a big pouch. And it's just got a cute little shape. It's stands up a little bit so you could stand it and everything. And then it's got the zipper that I put on there. It's a cute little sewing machine zipper. I think you might be able to, there you go. There's a cute little sewing machine zipper on this little pouch. And I chose to put the interior of the bag fabric for the exterior of this bag, that real pretty floral print. And then I matched the front pockets so they'd have matching pockets. So if anybody's interested, please let me know. That's, oh, and also the back of the bag, it's just clean. There's no additional pockets, just a straight back of the bag. So again, anyone's interested in this bag, please reach out to me, let me know. Also, please subscribe to my videos if you have not subscribed. Please like my videos and let me know if you like the products that I'm showing. That helps me to know if maybe I, want to make another. I mean, it won't be the exact fabric because this is discontinued fabric, but I would, let me know if I want to make, make another one of these bags, if anybody's interested in these bags. Also, please turn on your notification bells. I know some of these get a little sporadic. I'm working on some other projects right now. So I've got other bags that are finished that I'm still making videos on, as well as four more bags I'm currently working on. So these will be up and coming. One is just an absolute, to me, gorgeous bag. Very nice, professional. Can't wait to reveal that one. That's probably coming out this weekend. I have 3 of the same style of bag, but different patterns. And I think those will be really cute as a cute little bag, a little handbag. So again, make sure you turn on your notification bells, and that way you know when I post the videos. Also, please share my videos. That helps to get out to everybody else who may not be able to see it otherwise, and that in case they're interested in something like this as well. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate all of you that watch my videos. I also appreciate my subscribers. I thank you very much for becoming subscribers to my page. Everyone have a good day. Bye.